Hi, I'm Krista,
Hi, I'm Lisa,
and we're Farmhouse Rose Cove.
and today we're going to show you the second part of our ornament series.
So let's get into it. Ornament number 1, Farmhouse Stockings.
The supplies we used are 3 wood ornaments from Dollar Tree, some scrapbook paper, a microfiber towel from Dollar Tree, some chalk paint, and some embellishments, and we also used some paper stamps.
And now we're just going to let you watch and see how it all came together. We started by taking some scrapbook paper and flipping it over and tracing the shape of the stocking onto the scrapbook paper. And then we cut out the stocking. We got this super cute paper punch set from Hobby Lobby, and we decided to use 3 of them. There's a snowman, a tree, and a reindeer. And we just glued them into place using a glue stick. We're going to use a microfiber cloth from the Dollar Tree to make the top of the stocking. We added some butcher's twine to the stockings. We decided to make some little candy canes for our stockings by using some Christmas pipe cleaners. Now we're going to add a hanger to each stocking. And here's the finished product. This is a quick and easy ornament that would make a great addition to any Christmas tree.
Ornament number 2, up on the housetop ornament.
And here's the supplies we used. We have a sign we got from Dollar General on clearance, some white chalk paint, some acrylic red paint, faux snow, a Santa stamp, and some Mod Podge. We began by taking the roof off the sign. And then we just flipped the sign over and painted it with 2 coats of bright red by Apple Barrel. And we used white chalk paint to distress the sign. We took some tumbling tower blocks and decided to make a platform with steps to give the sign a more 3D effect. Now we're going to take some white chalk paint and water it down to create a stain to use on the steps. Now we're going to add a Santa stamp using the distressed ink pad in the color Black Soot. Using a black Sharpie, we're going to hand letter the words "Up on the housetop" onto the sign. Now we're going to glue our tumbling tower blocks together. Now we're going to glue our tumbling tower blocks to the sign to create a platform. Now we're going to hot glue the roof back on. Now we're going to glue on the steps to the front of the sign. Next, we're going to add some faux snow using Mod Podge. Next, we're going to use these super cute reindeer ornaments that we got from Walmart and glue it to the center of the roof. And here's the finished product. This is an ornament that even Santa would love.
Ornament number 3, Merry and Bright Reindeer.
The supplies includes 2 different types of scrapbook paper, wood planks from Dollar Tree, a stencil, and some chalk paint. And we also use these metal Merry and Bright signs. We began by taking our wood plank and staining it with wood tint. Using apple barrel paint, we're going to paint Mary green and the bright sign red. Now we're going to cut the scrapbook paper to size and glue it on using a glue stick. Now we're going to use white chalk paint to stencil a reindeer onto our sign. Now we're going to glue Merry and Bright onto our sign. Now we're going to add an and sign using white chalk paint. We decided to add a collar to the reindeer using striped twine. We also added some frosted berries from a floral pick from Dollar Tree. We decided to use twine from a ribbon set we got from Walmart to create a hanger for the sign. We used a piece of greenery from an ornament we got from Walmart and hot glued it to the sign. And then we created a shoestring bow using the same twine we used for the hanger. Now we're going to use a piece of Christmas vase filler from Dollar Tree and attach it to the center of the bow. And here's the finished product. This is an ornament that's sure to make your holiday season merry and bright. Ornament number 4, mini wreath. The supplies includes a piece of wired greenery, some ribbon, some mini pine cones, some frosted berries, Mod Podge, and some faux snow. We're going to begin by taking our greenery and shaping it into a wreath. Now we're just going to glue on our frosted berries and mini pine cones. Now we're going to apply some Mod Podge using a brush and apply some faux snow to our wreath. We just created a shoestring bow and attached it to our wreath. And finally, we're going to add a hanger. And here's the finished product. It's so adorable you can't even be refit. Ornament number 5, Mr. Snowman. This ornament is so cute, there's no way you won't love it. The supplies includes 3 Christmas tags, a piece of gray felt, a fabric bag, and some paint. We're going to start by flipping our gift tags over and painting them with white chalk paint. We're going to create the snowman's hat by using the gray felt and the fabric bag. This part's optional, but I stamped on some snowflakes to the bottom 2 circles. Now we're going to work on the snowman's face. We're going to use a Sharpie to create the eyes and the mouth and use orange chalk paint for the nose. And we're going to add 2 buttons on the snowman's body. Now we're going to create a scarf using red felt, and we decided to fray the edges for a more realistic look. Now we're going to glue the hat and the scarf into place. Now we're going to take branches from floral picks to create Mr. Snowman's arms. Now we're going to take some Mod Podge and some faux snow to create a frosty look. Now we're going to use some plaid ribbon to create a hanger. And here's the finished product. He's the cutest little frosty friend.
Thank you for joining us today.
We hope you enjoyed part 2 of our ornament series.
If you're already subscribed to our channel, thank you for your support.
If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. It helps our channel to grow and for YouTube to notice us a little bit more.
Leave us a comment down below and let us know what your favorite ornament was.
If you haven't seen part 1 of our Christmas ornament series, it will be linked down in the description box below. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends.
Stay tuned for more videos to come. Until next time.
Bye for now.